Okay, so have you noticed something strange? People are waking up to emails. Your Capital One credit card has been closed with no warning, no late payments, no explanation. And then weeks later, they even get served with a lawsuit. Here's the scary part. Most of these people did one specific thing, and Capital One is shuttering accounts and suing some people because of it. Now, if you have a Capital One card, you need to stop doing this immediately. Let's break it down. Over the past years, Capital One has been aggressively closing credit card accounts, balance chasers, chasing customers, reducing limits, filing lawsuits faster than before. Here's why. Because they're monitoring risk behavior more than ever. Not just late payments, behavior patterns. Internal scoring models track spending habits, payment patterns, cash usage, credit cycling, which is a big one. That's the key red flag. And then financial distress signals. So you can actually pay your credit card off. But if you utilize that credit card to the max right after that, so you can get another cycle of 30 days to make the next payment, the algorithm that they have in place could actually make a risk factor that you are having financial distress with your finances. May not be true, but it could trigger that. So now, one of the biggest reasons accounts are getting shut down is something called credit cycling. This is when you max out your card, pay it down, and then max it out again over and over in the same billing cycle. You have a $5,000 limit, but 1 month you spend $20,000 and pay it down repeatedly. So what I'm saying is you do 5,000, pay it down. 5,000, pay it down. 5,000, pay it down. That's why I was saying you're not actually late on the payment, or these people are not late on their payment, but they consider this credit cycling, and you heard in the video why they consider that credit cycling, because it's like a loophole. You end up getting more rewards, a lot of different benefits that you'll qualify for, but your actual credit limit is really only $5,000 that you can utilize. But with doing credit cycling, they're seeing that people within the same month have went as high as, $20,000, $30,000, depending on, their finances. And some people may be utilizing other credit cards to do this. That's why they're looking at that like it could be a huge issue. So now, to you,